Hello! Today I'm going to execute the 5S and warehouse operation management. So this time, this is the place where I'm going to execute the 5S.
Alright, this time we are going to perform the first step in the 5S, which is the sort. Sort means that we are going to collect the unnecessary things in the room. Join me and watch me to do the sort. Nice, guys, we have just done sorting things out. So this time we are going to do the second step in 5S, which is the set. That means our lean action events. We are arrange what remains in its best place at the scope area. So in my place, I am going to segregate my pants and my t-shirt, and we are going to put them on the best place where our bedroom will look fresh. Okay, we have just done doing the second step in 5S. So this time we will need to proceed on the third step, which is the shine. So in this part, we are going to define the level of the clean that we want in the area, and watch me to do it, guys. Alright, you just witnessed me how I do the shine. So this time we need to proceed on the fourth step in 5S, which is the standardize. So in this action, we set up a very clear expectation for the workplace. But in my situation, I use my room. So for me to put a standard, I'm going to make a list what is allowed in the room. And that way we can able to spot the problem and keep the room fresh. Okay, so this time we are now down to the last part on 5S, which is the sustain. So sustaining is also where the regular analysis and assessment occurs. A lean warehouse prioritizing continuously improvement. So by doing this one, we can able to spot the problem and solve them, and by solving them we can able to see what needs to be improved or things that is already been improved. And this and also this part requires a discipline, because doing all those things are not easy. This is why it has a discipline and also a good system set standard.